In example 2, you'll notice that our first polynomial has 3 terms and our second polynomial has 2 terms. So step 1, we have to draw our box, but before we do that, we need to figure out what the height and the length is going to be of our box. And if you remember in example 1, we need to figure out what the degree of our polynomials is first. So again, the degree is just the highest power of our polynomial. So in this case, for polynomial number 1, our degree is going to be 2. So we're going to add, according to step 1, we're going to get our height. We have to add 1 more to our degree. So that's going to give us 3. And our length, if you notice, the degree in this case is going to be 1. So our length is going to be 1 more than the degree, which is going to give us 2. So now that we have our height of the number of boxes we're going to stack, as well as the length, we can go about creating our box. For step number 2, we want to write the polynomials that we are multiplying on the outside edges of the box. So I'm going to write my first polynomial on the left, and my second polynomial is going to be on the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and multiply my boxes to get my values. So for the first box, I have 5x squared times negative 2x, which is going to give me negative 10x to the third power. Then I'm going to multiply negative 4x times negative 2x. That's going to give me positive 8x to the second power. After that, I'm going to multiply positive 6 times negative 2x. That is going to give me negative 12x. Next, I'm going to multiply positive 5x squared times positive 3, and that is going to give me positive 15x squared. Next, I'm going to multiply negative 4x times positive 3, which is going to give me negative 12x. And then I'm going to multiply positive 6 times positive 3, which is going to give me 18. Step 4 tells us to combine like terms, and you'll notice that the diagonals of our boxes are matching terms. So I'm going to write negative 10x to the third power. Then I'm going to combine positive 8x squared with positive 15x squared, which is going to give me positive 23x to the second power. I'm going to combine negative 12x with negative 12x, which is going to give me negative 24x. And I'm just going to bring down the positive 18. And as you can see, the variables with the powers are in descending order.